Well, hi, this is Christine Crow here, and welcome to my channel. Well, today I want to talk to you about how this is such breaking news. Microsoft is cancelling its data center leases. Now, watch before the Nvidia earnings, right? So, this is really big news for investors as well, for example, but Microsoft has just cancelled major data centers leases, and this could have a huge implication to Nvidia as it prepares for its earnings report on the 26th, which is tomorrow. With the boost or crash Nvidia stocks, what does this mean for the AI industry? And this is the reason why I'm doing this video, is because of the AI industry. I want to keep you informed with things that's happening. Now, before we dive into this, I would love for you to hit and like and share, and to subscribe to the channel if you find this helpful as well. So if you are investing in Nvidia or the AI space, then you need to obviously speak with an investor specialist, because I'm not here about that, but I'm also here to talk about AI and also the data center leases, because this is all about what I'm about, AI automation, for example. So a little bit about Nvidia earnings. They lost quite a lot due to DeepSeek, and they've had a really bad event whereby they've got this upcoming earnings of one of the most anticipated reports on the market. And why? Because Nvidia isn't just about tech stock, it's about the backbone of AI, gaming and data centers. So a lot of analysis are watching revenue growth. Can Nvidia keep up with the demand of AI in gaming? Because it's like very popular. Wherever you go, there's always some sort of gaming in someone's house, if they've got children, for example, as well as adults. Now, profit margins, will it cause pressures? Will it cost more? Will it increase the profits, or will it eat into the profits? So this is a real game changer, because investors want to hear how Nvidia will handle the rising competition and the market shifts. Look at what happened with DeepSeek, how they were able to create something for under 7 million. Look at how AI is evolving. Look at Croc, Elon Musk. They're all creating these AIs and these chats and bots and AI agents, for example. It's everywhere. So there's lots of competition. Is not becoming, like when something is really specialized, then it commands a higher price. But now that there's so many different variations of possibly similar, or perhaps just slightly under, or could be of the same value, then surely that's going to cause the market to go down. But I may be wrong, because I don't know the full story with Nvidia, because from what I could see originally, it looked absolutely dynamic, for example. But this could be a problem. It could be a big problem, because the market, with regards to Nvidia's stock, has been on a roller coaster ride. They lost a lot of money the day that DeepSeek came out and showed the world, this is what we've done and this is the comparison. They lost a lot of money in the stock market. I think it was like 600 billion, for example. And recent competition that came from DeepSeek, the new AI model, is shaking things up for everybody. It basically is kicking everyone up the backside and making everyone work twice as hard, as quickly as possible to push out something that is going to be unique. So can Nvidia hold its ground? Can it do that? Let's look at some major risk ahead of this, for example, because tomorrow it's going to happen. So market risk. Microsoft lease have cancelled, and this has also caused AI disruptions. So the breaking news here is that Microsoft has just cancelled multiple data center leases. And this could impact Nvidia's revenue because the data centers are a huge customer for Nvidia high performance GPUs, for example. So what does this mean? So it means reduced demand for GPUs. If big companies like Microsoft scale back, then Nvidia could feel the hit. Shifts in AI spending, companies may reallocate budgets, for example, to more cost-effective AI models instead of the traditional GPU-based AI computing. Could be at massive risk here. Imagine you've spent all of this money creating something amazing, and then another company comes in and just steps on it, squashes you, and shows the world. So AI competition intensifies. DeepSeek new R1 reasoning model is shaking up the AI space. If there's a comparison, let's move away from Nvidia ecosystem. This really could impact long-term growth. So, does this mean that Nvidia is in trouble? Let's check the technical side of things. So from the research that I've done, and the key support and resistance levels are, there's different stocks that supports Nvidia's drops below $200, for example. We could see a major sell-off, for example, or resistance $250. Breaking past this could trigger a rally, for example. So options activity increase in call options. Some investors expect a strong earning report. Increase in put options. Others are hedging against volatility. So what's the bottom line? Let's think about what this is, what it means. So I'm just going to mention some of the expert predictions in investor settlements, for example. So Wedbush Securities, Nvidia is still the king of AI. That's what they say, which is really good. Tom Lee from Fundstrat, the AI boom will fuel Nvidia's next growth wave. And then Morgan Stanley, Nvidia remains a top-notch pick for tech despite the market shifts. Sometimes you go through some valleys and sometimes you're back up again, then you go down into the valley, then you're up. There's peaks and troughs, for example, according to what I'm reading here, been researching, for example. But there still could be a risk. If Nvidia guidance is weak, the stock could drop hard. And we won't know this until tomorrow, it will be the 27th of February. So whether you buy or not, it's entirely up to you, because I'm not here as an expert. I'm here to talk about AI and what AI is going through at the moment. So, but think about it, Microsoft have cancelled these leases for their data center, could hurt the demand. Competition from DeepSeek and other AI players is heating up. The race is on. And if Nvidia guidance is weak, the stock could crash for them again. So, what do you think about this? Will Nvidia stocks surge or crash after earnings? I'd love for your comments. I'd love to see your comments below. So, what would you say to stay ahead of the AI tech market? So, if you want to listen to more information about what we do, our AI services, our AI automation, then subscribe, like our channel, because I will be going into this in greater depth and I will be getting people in to interview. We've got our AI developers as well, because for businesses, I think it's important that we know what is happening, for example. So like I said, if you found this video helpful, I know it's quick and a short video, but if you liked it, found it helpful, informative, then do like. Did you know that this was happening tomorrow, the 27th of February 2025, for example? Check out our latest video for more insights into our AI and AI tools for businesses. And thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you next, and let's see what happens. It's going to be happening tomorrow. Wow. So we'll see what happens. So have a good evening, everyone, and this is Christine Crowell signing off for now, and I will speak with you tomorrow if you join me. Take care. Thank you. Bye.